Hi everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you're all doing safe with everything what's going on in this world. But yeah, I'm here to show you my chocolate mousse. I don't have like a specific way to make it or like the way others do. I just do what I feel is right. And yeah, it's a very easy recipe. If you're bored or something, you can always follow my steps and make a wonderful chocolate mousse. I will show you what I'm gonna use. So my favorite chocolate from Côte d'Or is the milk chocolate one, and so yeah, and some sugar. You need some eggs, 3 eggs. To get the white of the egg fast, no, to make the white of the egg strong and so
snowy.
If you do,
it's snowy.
So when you're doing this, it doesn't fall on your head, alright? I don't know the exact amounts of every single thing, but I'm just gonna tell you what I do. I'm gonna make like for my mom and I, so we are 2 persons. But I like it so much that I just gonna make a lot of them, a lot of them for 2 persons. So yeah, first we're gonna melt the chocolate au bain-marie. En mijn fucking camera is plat. A 1 full bar, chocolate bar. And while we are waiting for chocolate to melt, we're gonna split 3 eggs. So the white here and the yellow here, or the orange yellow here. Okay, now we're gonna add some sugar with a big soup spoon, like this one, and I'm gonna put like 1 full and 1.5 spoon. Yes. Mix these 2. We're gonna make the egg, like the white egg, like snow. But first we're gonna clean this because yeah, that's a little nasty. Okay, so the chocolate is ready. Everything is ready. So now we're gonna mix everything together. But first, we are gonna mix the yellow one of the egg and the sugar. So the yellow of the egg and the sugar with the chocolate. Don't burn yourself because the chocolate is very warm. So we're gonna put some gloves on. All right. We're gonna mix the yellow one. You can put it all together. The chocolate is gonna be like a little hard. It's gonna become a little hard. A little bit like poop. It's gonna be like a poop texture or something, I don't know. You see like a little heart? That's why we're gonna put step by step, not all in once, the white snow egg one You're not gonna mix it, but like turn it around. You're gonna do this movement. Wait, hold on, like this movement. Put a second section. Then I'm gonna take something like easier to turn with. And we're gonna put the last section, last part of the white. Okay, now you're gonna take some glasses you have. I have like these ones, or like these ones. I'm really not good at this. Oh shit, you see? I messed up. So as you can see, I was able to fill 5 full ones and 1.5 one. Okay, so now we're gonna prepare them to put them in the fridge. So guys, I've put them in the fridge, so I'm gonna wait like 5 hours until I'm gonna eat them. They will be ready, as good as ready. I hope you liked this video and that you cooked with me. It was like a pleasure to make it for you guys and for myself, of course, because it's like one of my favorite recipes. And so yeah, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.